Most of us research online for an essential oil recipe to address an issue we have, such as muscle ache, and set out to blend accordingly. This is one of the most common mistakes people make when they're new to essential oils. I get this. After all, the success rate could be higher if something has worked for someone else before. More likelihood that it will work for me too, right? This is like wearing a friend's dress with the belief that if it looks fabulous on her, it will surely look fabulous on me. And it may be so sometimes, but the majority of the times, it may be too large for you. It may not complement your style, it may be ill-fitting on other parts of the body, it may be over the top for the event that you're attending. And all this is simply because we come in different shapes and sizes with different needs, much to be celebrated about. Recipes that you found online or from a book can be thought of as a guide to you because fundamentally it has to relate and make sense to you and your lifestyle. What does that mean and how does that look like? When you obtain a recipe, there are many questions to ask yourself to see if this recipe is right for you. Number 1. Needs. Does it fit your needs? For example, you're looking to sleep better and you notice there's usually muscular aches preventing you to sleep. So what you're not looking for is something to relieve your aches but keep you awake. Number 2. Application. Does it fit your preferences? If you like applying lotion because it is not greasy, absorbs quick, and the recipe calls for an oil-based product, you are not going to like the texture of an oil-based product, therefore you will not use it altogether. Thirdly, they will look at the safety. Is it safe for you? An example here would be, if you're asthmatic, essential oils like eucalyptus globulus are great for respiratory issues, but for some asthmatics, they can experience chest tightness. That is one oil you should stay away from, if that is the case. Have a whiff of the bottle first and see how you feel. Dilution. Is the dilution right for you? If you are pregnant, keep it to 1%, which is 5 to 6 drops of essential oils total in 1 ounce of carrier. For an average adult, 2% is good, which is at 10 to 12 drops of essential oils in 1 ounce of carrier. It is usually not a one-size-fits-all solution. In fact, sticking to recipes only completely dismisses your own needs and how your body responds, which is why we focus on the seed effect that caters the right essential oils for you, right applications of using essential oils that fits you, uniquely to your body because every body is different. So let me ask you this. Do you want to continue wasting money and time by randomly trying out recipes that may not suit your needs at all, or do you want to feel empowered in taking care of your unique health needs? If yes, join me here. Not all essential oil recipes will fix your problem.